guys, it's nice to see you again. As you know, my name is Leslie and today I will be your English teacher. So, the topic of today is a pretty interesting one. In this case, we are going to be talking about prepositions. But first of all, I would like to know if you know it that we have in English four types of prepositions. Those are prepositions of time, prepositions of place, prepositions of movement, and prepositions with adjectives or with verbs. So, in this case, just for today, we are going to be learning about prepositions of movement. And here I have some pieces of paper with some words, which are the prepositions of movement. So, let's try to pronounce them. First, we have across. Then we have from, to. Then we have away from, past, down, off, over, around, into, towards, through, and up. So, let's go with me, okay? Try to imitate my pronunciation. First, we have across,
across,
from, to, away from, past, down, off, over, around, into, towards, through, up. Yeah. So, how many prepositions of movement do we have for today?
12.
Yeah, that's right, Amaris. So, in this case, let's start with this preposition, okay? It says down. Yeah. It means that we are going to be moving lower because down, right? In this case, the most common example for this preposition are the stairs. You know that when we have to do certain things and we need to lift home, we need to go stairs down. So it is a common example, stairs down. Then we have this preposition that is called off. What does it mean? It means that if we have something, for example, in this case, the scissors, on a surface, and we pick up it, and we change the position of the object, it is gonna be off. So, in this case, for example, here are gonna be the scissors, and we pick up the scissors and we change the position of those. So for that reason, it is gonna be off. Then we have over. These prepositions means that we are going to be going over certain thing. In this case, let's imagine that this cell phone is a bridge. We need to cross the bridge. So we need to go over the bridge. So let's draw again, over. So in this case, here we have our bridge and we are going to go in over the bridge. We are here and we need to go here. For that reason, we are going to be going over the bridge. Then we have around. We are going to think that we are going in circles, right? Because here is the point of reference, and then we are going to be doing something like that. We are going to be walking around. So, in this case, then we have into. What does it mean? That, for example, our classroom. And someone is outside, okay? So, this person who is going into the classroom, let's represent this preposition because he is going from outside into inside the classroom. So, into the classroom. Then we have towards. For example, I would say that those scissors maybe will represent a building, okay? And my hand is a person. So, the person is walking towards the building. That means into Spanish, hacia. Okay? So, it is going into this direction to the thing. For example, here, as I said before, it's gonna be the building, and then here could be maybe a person or animal. Then we have through. it says that we are going to be through something. For example, again, we are outside the classroom. We are late today. So that door here is open. And we are here outside the classroom, and we need to go through that door to get into the classroom. So, other common example, as I said before, do you remember this one, that it was down, right? Stairs down. In this case, we're gonna say, okay, stairs up, right? Stairs up. So, again, let's draw the stairs. We are gonna say that we are going to be going stairs up. Then we have this preposition that means across. So, across means that, for example, this is the street. We are here and we need to cross it. So we are going to go across the street to get there. Then we have from and to. The first place is gonna be Quito, and the second one is gonna be Otavalo. So we are going to go from Quito to Otavalo, and the same vice versa. We are going to go from Otavalo to Quito. Then we have this, away from. What does it mean? That we need to get distance of something. For example, I don't know, someone is sick. Thus we are gonna say, I am going to be away from, I don't know, Ronnie, for example, because he is sick. So I will get distance. So for example, Ronnie is here with a mask, obviously. And then we have me, because I don't want to be next to him. And next to also is a preposition, but of place. Then we have this one, past. Let's imagine again, this marker is in my pot and I don't have more space, but maybe I can go by the side of the marker until being behind it. So that means pass. Go by the side of something to get behind that thing that I am avoiding. Yeah, so that is pass. Again, let's draw here my marker and then my fingers, okay? To go by the side until this place. And those were the prepositions of movement. So let's practice together again each one of those. So I will need your help. You will use your hands. Okay, so in this case, let's say stairs up, stairs up, up. So let's go down, 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 stairs down. Again, up, 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 down. Yeah, then let's go around, around, around. Yes, around. Then pick up something, please, like a marker or a pen. Okay, so let's go say in, in. So the marker goes from outside into inside, and for that reason, it is gonna be into, into. So again, from outside, inside, into, into. So, and for example, our hand is gonna be our bridge here. So here I have my marker or a pencil or pen, and the pen is gonna be over the bridge, over the bridge. So until there, we have up, up, then we have down, down, we have around, round, then we have into. Yeah. So now we are going to say through. That, for example, maybe this is gonna be a door, and the person is going to be through, through. And also you can imagine that your hand is gonna be a tunnel. So maybe this is gonna be a train. So let's go through the tunnel, through. Yes. Then we have towards. That here my cell phone is gonna be a building. So let's go toward the building. Let's go toward the building. Okay, I have one. I was the first one. Then we have up. Do you remember that I said that up means change a position of something? So I'm going to pick up it, right? Then we have across. Okay, across. So this is gonna be the street. So I will go across the street. Across. So do the same, please. Across. Yeah, you have crossed the street. So then, as I said before, away from means to get distance of something. So for example, Gerald is there, right? And I will say, I will be away from Gerald because she is sick. Away from, let's say something like this, okay? Let's do this because away means get distance, okay? Then we will say also from to, okay? My cell phone is gonna be Otavalo and my notebook is gonna be Quito. So I am going from Quito to Otavalo and from Otavalo to Quito. So do the same, please. Let's go from Quito to Otavalo and from Otavalo to Quito. Yeah, thank you. So finally, let's remember that past means that we are going to be by the side until being behind the thing. Into means that we are going to be into something through. For example, we have that tunnel here and we are going to be going through that tunnel. Then we have up, then we have down, and we have across. This is my street, I will across the street. And up, I will pick up the scissors, change the position of those. Then I have around, as I said before, going in circles, walking around. And then we have also over, that for example here is my bridge and I will be going over the bridge. And that's all. So guys, now I will give you certain exercises for you, so you will try to complete them, and if you need help, let me know. So here you go, those ones please. But first of all, let's read them together, okay? It says, when you travel, do you prefer to walk the street or across the road? The first. The second one, it says, when you go hiking, do you prefer walking the space, the mountains, or space, the valley? Then we have, what time does the bus go? Space, the tunnel. Where did you go after you walk? Space, the door. Do you see the cat running? Space, the yard, or in the house? Can you tell me how to get? Space, the train station from here? Then we have the final one says, where did you go after you walk? Space, the entrance of the museum. So let's try to complete. You can work together. So here you go if you need. And here you have
No. True. Or over. It's over. Okay. Hiking, you prefer walking up the mountain?
yeah, it could be
Up or
because you need
down
to.
to the valley? Down to the valley. Or run? Or over the valley?
Yeah, that's right, Larry.
It's really the same. It's the same.
I agree with you.
Do you see the cat running? Think so? or no. Door only? Doors?
And the last one.
Please tell me how to get the train station over here. Towards. Towards.
I think so.
I think so. After you walk. True? True. Past. No past. I suppose past now. Into me? Into the... It's over. It's over. Okay. Hiking, you prefer walking up the mountain?
Yeah, it could be.
Could be up or
Because you need
or
to.
down to the valley. Down to the valley. Or over the valley.
Yeah, that's right. Larry.
It's really the same. It's the same.
I agree with you.
There's the cat from Lexical or no. George, maybe? George? I suppose.
And the last one.
Please tell me how to get the train station over here. Towards. Towards.
I think so.
I think so. After you walk. True? True. Past. No past. I suppose past now. Into me? Into the entrance? Into or walking? No. Into? Or through? We need to ask the teacher.
Okay, so have you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check, okay? For example, here when you say, when you travel, do you prefer to walk the street or across the road? In this case, you can use again across, because as I said before in the example, across, right? So also maybe other option, as you said, it could be also through. So this one is wrong. Because over means that we are going to be over a certain thing, but we are going to cross over it. But in this case, I don't think so. Then we have this one. It says, when you go hiking, do you prefer walking up the mountain? Is nice, and or in this case, for example, we say up here and down here. I don't think so again. But in this case, for example, also we can be using through the valley. So here, what time does the bus go through the tunnel? Yes, that was the example, so it's correct. Then we have, where did you go after you walk through the door? Yes, that's right. Did you see the cat running towards the yard or in the house? Yes, that's right. Then we have, can you tell me how to get towards the train station from here? Yes, because there are several options that you can use. It depends on the context that you want to the other people infer to. So, where did you go after you walk into the entrance of the museum? In this case, entrance is like a synonym of a door, right? So in this case, which could be? Yeah,
True.
true. So, yeah, that's right. So let's remember those things, okay?
Okay.
So that's what's all for the class of today. Thank you so much for being with me. I really appreciate it, and goodbye, guys.
Goodbye. Bye.